So this right here is my parkour and free running shirt for my videos, and this pants right here. So before you do the monkey ball, practice the crow pose. This is the crow pose. Wait, I have to do it somewhere else. Here, look. Okay, so this is the crow pose on here, on my step here.
You had to be there and get your distance.
Look. So if you really want, this is how the crow pose look like for it.
It's supposed to be like this. Like I've done it before. I take a picture of this. You know, I'll say something like, it's going down, and I'm like, hashtag trigger goes. That's it, right? Or like, hashtag.
So practice the crow pose, and then
To make something.
you, and then it's like the crow pose, but you have to like go over the step on the crow pose. So it's like you're doing this. Jump to that, and then do this when you're doing crow pose. What? You doing?
Okay, then don't worry about me.
Sorry, guys.